So hi everybody, last time we made an LED blink, so we had another webinar yesterday. So I'm just gonna show you what all we did, how much we did. So we are gonna make an LED blink, not one, three of them in a pattern. So all these videos we are doing, we are posting it in YouTube and Facebook. We also have links to buy the components. So you can just click on the link and buy them. If you are not in India, you can always buy the components on Amazon. So now we need 3 LEDs and one Arduino Uno and a breadboard and some breadboard wire, which is like the normal wire, but it has like only one wire inside it, not like 5, 6, 7 strands or anything. So we are just gonna put this one here. I'm not sure. So I have connected all the short wires of the LED to this blue part, this part which is a positive part. So I'm just gonna connect this. I don't know if this is long enough. So this is a negative part, that means ground of the breadboard, this blue part, and this red is a positive. So I'm just gonna connect all the short wires or the negative wires of the LEDs to the positive part. So I'm just gonna put this breadboard wire here. So I'm just gonna connect this wire to the Arduino Uno's ground. This is GSM, but we are not gonna talk about this. So we have the ground to be connected here. That's the ground. So these are 3mm LEDs, the small ones, and this is a 5mm LED. This is red, and I think these two are white. You can have any colors, same programming, nothing different. So just gonna add this wire here to the long wire where I put it. So I'm just gonna connect it like this and put it in one pin. So I'm gonna do it in 13 there. Now I'm going to show how to connect your Arduino to the breadboard. Now I have an Uno, this one, and a breadboard with LEDs and 2 ways to connect them. So first way is to buy a breadboard wire coil and then just buy a stripper, then strip it like this. There. Stripper and cutter, so I'm just going to cut this a bit because it's way too long, and I'm going to cut the other part and just going to this other side. There we have 2 sides stripped. I'm just going to connect this here, for example, like this. There, just like that. Same for just go to holes, put it there and connect it to the Arduino. Second type is to use a male to male jumper wire. This is the second way. So you get this like this, but with a few more wires with them. So just take one out of them and connect them to the breadboard. For example, like this. Same things to do with the Arduino. So this is how you get it when you buy. You have many of them. You just take one. So this is a positive pin of the LED. So I have connected to one of the Arduino Uno's pins. So just like that, all of these are the positives. So I just connected to the pins, and I just place the negative wire here so that I can have space to put all of these. So the special thing about a breadboard, why I used a breadboard, is that for example, you connected a wire here, it is positive. So this whole column will be positive. So it's like this much will be positive. So but it cannot be positive like this whole row can't be like that. But here, if you put positive here, this full row will be positive, negative here, this full row will be negative. So that's the thing about a breadboard. So I have connected the LEDs like that. So the positive, one of the LEDs goes to 2, other one goes to 4, other one goes to 8. So it can be any pin, digital one, except this 0 and 1. You can't use that, and the negative wire has gone to ground, which is negative. Connect this A to B USB to the power bank and connect it to the Uno. There. Oops, the connection is wrong. The other program should be 10. So there it is, it's blinking in a pattern. So as you might already know, this is M Block, and this is like there is a company called Make Block. They made this app to program boards and their own products. They make robots, stuff like that. They sell all that. So this is like a copy of Scratch, if you know what Scratch is. It's like you have sprites from Scratch, except Panda and all that. Background, same thing in Scratch. Scratch is like you can make games, you can play other people's games, like an app. In the app you can play other people's games, you can make games. So in the, if you search Scratch in your web browser, you'll get that, and if you want you can sign up and all that and make games or play other people's games, etc. So I'm just going to add device. Oops. So I'm just taking Arduino Uno and I'm just going to tell you what all do you need to program, how to program a pattern for LEDs. So what I am gonna do is blink the first LED, then the next one and the next one, and the first LED will be switched off, second, third, like that forever, like while it's on. So I'm just gonna take set digital pin like this, 6 of them. There. So I'm just gonna change these pins to 2, 3, 4. So as I said, you can do it in any pin. For example, like 10. You can do it in any pin. So any digital pin except 0 and 1. I already said that. So I'm just gonna change this to maybe. Let's do a different pattern. Maybe like then 2, 3, 10. I'm just gonna change it to low. Low means it's switched off, high means it's switched on, and I'm just gonna take control. Wait. And this forever loop here. Forever loop makes the whole program run forever, and the wait 1 second makes the board wait 1 second. So an event and Arduino starts up. So this is how you make a pattern. This is for only 3 LEDs, but if you want to do it with, for example, 4 LEDs, you can just and yeah, keep it here and like 11. Just an example, I will remove that and duplicate. I don't need all that. And so you can just do like this. I don't need that because I only have 3 LEDs for now. So I'm just gonna connect my board there. And connect, show all connectable devices, COM5, connect. There. So that's it for now, and I have shown you how to make 3 LEDs blink in a pattern. So there it is, it's blinking in a pattern.